Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Matt, and this is my wife, Jody. And today we're going to be guiding you through a 15-minute morning Yin Yoga class. And you're not going to need any props, so just hop on your yoga mat and let's get started right away. So we're just going to take position, turning onto our knees here. And we're going to lower ourselves down into Sphinx pose. So we're going to start working on our spine this morning. So placing your elbows in line with your shoulders, hands on the floor in front of you. Just going to be closing our eyes here. Focusing on your breath and enjoying how that feels in your low back. And we're going to slowly release by lowering our upper torso down, flaring out our elbows, hands on top of the other, forehead comes down, resting on the back of your hands here, just taking a little moment. And when ready, we're going to open up the right leg to a 90-degree angle. Just working on opening up our hip here. Inner groin. And if you want to deepen this a little bit, you can use the right hand, move it around, and grab the left ankle for a nice stretch in the left thigh. Or you can stay in the first position like Jody is doing right now, depending on what feels good for you today. And you can release the left ankle, bringing that right leg back in line with your body. Just taking a moment here, you can wiggle your hips left or right. And when you're ready, we're gonna bring the left knee out, making a 90-degree angle with that left leg. Just opening up our inner groin on the left side. And if you want, you can bring the left hand around, grabbing onto the right ankle and pulling that leg in. There you go. So you're getting a nice thigh stretch, the front of your right thigh. And we can release the right ankle, bringing the left leg back in line with our body here, wiggling your hips left to right, loosening up your low back here. And we're going to be placing our hands in line with our shoulders, pushing ourselves up, back onto our knees. And then here, keeping a 90-degree angle in your knees aligned with your hips, we're going to go into melting heart. So one big inhale, exhale, walk your hands forward, curve your spine, bring your forehead to the ground, and let's just stretch our upper back here, shoulder blades. Loosening up tension. And just making ourselves feel overall better on this beautiful start of the day. And we can push ourselves back up, walking our hands back. And that feels wonderful. So I'm going to invite you to come to the middle of your mat, taking the seated position here. And we're just going to extend the left leg out to a 45-degree angle, bringing the right leg in. So we're just going to be facing that left leg, taking one big inhale. Exhale, walking your fingertips forward, rounding the spine, chin can come to the chest, finding your edge, which is your point of resistance when it starts pulling behind your leg. And then just reconnecting with your breath, holding stillness here. And we can slowly walk our hands back, raising back our upper torso, and then staying from here. We're just going to take one big inhale. Exhale, we're going to lower ourselves on the right forearm on the ground and then just reaching over, stretching the side of our body here. And we can come back up to the seated position. And from here, another one big inhale. Exhale, we're going to bring the left hand to the exterior edge of the right knee, and we're just going to go into a nice spinal twist. Looking back, placing the right hand on the floor behind ourselves here. And just using the left hand to brace ourselves into the twist. And we can slowly release this twist, extending the right leg out in a 45-degree angle, bringing the left leg in very slowly, turning our hips towards that right leg. Big inhale. Exhale, walking your fingertips forward, finding your edge, holding stillness. And we can slowly release, coming back up. So from the seated position, one big inhale. Exhale, lowering yourself on the left forearm and then bring the right arm over and above your head, opening up the right side of your body here. And we can release, pushing ourselves back up. And from here again, one big inhale. Exhale, bring the right hand to the exterior edge of the left knee, twisting the spine, placing the left hand on the floor behind, and just looking back here. And we can slowly release. So I hope you enjoyed this quick morning session with us. It's been Jody's and I pleasure, and we'll see you next time. Namaste, guys.